Hello, what a beautiful journey so far we have gone through. We have explored body mind relationship. Today, let us talk about something that everyone desires. What is that? That is related to money and career growth. Many people say money doesn't brings happiness. That's true, but lack of money brings deep unhappiness. So let us understand how energy shapes our abundance. Muladhara or earth element gives the security and foundation. When this is balanced, we feel financially stable. Fire element gives drive, courage, self worth. When it is strong, you naturally attract opportunities and success. Air elements help you to money to flow with gratitude and joy. Consciousness, Ajna Chakra, guides the intuitive decisions, investments, timing, and opportunities. When these chakras are work together, abundance flows naturally. I have seen clients manifest unexpected job promotions, new business opportunities, and sudden inflow of money simply by aligning this energy. Remember, abundance is not about chasing, it's about aligning. Thank you and God bless you all.